Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Kumar. Welcome to my channel, Safricano's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make one yummy soup, broccoli cheddar soup. Ingredient. We're gonna need, of course, broccoli. We're gonna cut it small. I'm using leeks, but you can use onion. Today I prefer to switch and do leeks. Heavy whipped cream, flour, cheddar of course, and I'm using also jalapeños. This is, it's optional, you can use it if you want not. And a cup of milk, salt and pepper. And any spice is optional to you. I prefer Italian seasoning. Of course, for this dish, we need a chicken stock and butter. Unfortunately, I'm out of butter, so I'm using vegetable oil to saute the vegetables first. I'm gonna saute the leeks and the jalapeños. This jalapeno is gonna give it a kick. I like this kick in my food, the spices. I found this one in the grocery store. It's like a chicken stock or vegetable stock, but it's like paste. You can keep it in the fridge, doesn't take too much space. I'm gonna saute, but the only thing, it's too dark, the color. If you are planning to make dark soup is good, but that's what I have. But you can use the normal chicken stock, the fresh one. Yeah, I'm using the spices, the salt and pepper. I'm using Italian seasoning too. Yeah, I'm gonna add some hot water, and I'm gonna keep the vegetables to saute maybe for 5-6 minutes. I'm adding some milk. This is super easy soup. Now I mix 2 tablespoons of flour and water. I whisk them together to make the soup thick. Yeah, look at that. It's almost ready. Very healthy, very good soup. Now, of course, I'm adding the cheddar. Around 2 cups of cheddar. We don't add it at the beginning. We add it almost when it's almost ready. And I'm gonna add, of course, some cream. Like maybe half a cup is enough. Just to give it this creamy and that texture for the soup. I'm gonna blend it. I use this blender, because I wanna keep some pieces, big pieces inside the soup. But if you don't have this one, you can use the normal blender. Yeah, it's done. It's very good in cold weather. Bon appetit. You can garnish it with a crouton or cheese. I put some parsley too. And if you have a French bread, it will be a good idea. Just toast it and put some butter or extra virgin olive oil, and it's done. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos, and like and share. Bye.